What's up, everybody? Magandang umaga sa inyo. We just got to California and we'll be here for 2 days before we head on over to the Philippines. In the meantime, we're headed down to San Diego where we're gonna try some Filipino foods. I think we're going to a Filipino-American fusion bakery right now, and we're gonna show you the food there. And then maybe later today, if we have time, we are gonna head to some other Filipino restaurants or some restaurants in general, and we're gonna take you guys along with us. So I don't know what that means. That was weird. We got the hollow croissant bar thing. We have ube, beans, di ko alam ano nito. Leche flan. Then we have the mango calamansi donut ball thing.
Yeah, that mango thing is good.
It's hollow, technically. You got the hollow, that
Stuff and
That shaved ice thing. This is just, leche flan. I mean, want to try a bite?
bean slice.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh, that's beans, huh?
Yeah, there's little beans on it.
This part.
That's leche flan. It's milk bread thing. That's the mango calamansi thing. How do you feel about it, Mom?
It's good. I just want to see a little taste of this by itself.
The ube? Ube is like going super viral around the world.
Like that.
That's good.
What, ube?
The beans like sound weird until you actually try. Okay, we're gonna go for the mango calamansi.
That's like grows on you. That like you get the extra little corn tasting on top of that.
Okay, we kind of destroyed this. The mango's really fresh. The hint of calamansi. I think the winner is the mango calamansi monstrosity. She's the winner. What's up, aking mga kaibigan? Nandito kami sa San Oleo, sa California. Nandito kami sa Fish 101. May ibang klase ng isda dito at magtatry kami ng mga pagkain dito. Kaya kitikit sa loob, puro pagkain talaga sa araw na ito. Pero mahal ninyo ang pagkain, no? Kasi Filipino kayo, kaya kitikit sa loob. Sige, aking mga kaibigan, tapos na kami sa Fish 101. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain. At ganoon din, ang daming tao sa loob, ang ingay naman. Kaya ngayon lang nagva-video kami, yung review, yung food review. And yeah, masarap talaga ng pagkain. Bibigay ko yung oras kay tatay ko.
We're down in Southern California at Cardiff by the Sea. Had a great day. We started off the day this morning eating some Filipino pastries. They had a couple things that were out that we wanted to eat, but we really liked some of the stuff that was there. And then we came up to Cardiff by the Sea because Trevor's mom, my wife, wanted to hit up this place, Fish 101, and it was really good. So all of you that really like fish tacos, go hit it up. What'd you have?
I had poke, so yellowfin tuna, tsaka may mahe tacos. Kaya sobrang sarap ng ibang klase ng isda. Maraming ibang isda dito. Kaya kung mahilig kayo sa isa, katulad ng sinabi ng tatay ko, pupunta kayo dito.
We also had Brussels sprouts and broccolini. Is that something they have in the Philippines?
No Brussels sprouts. My broccoli, but it's different. It's different over there. I don't know what kind of broccoli it is, but it's different.
Yeah. But anyway, that was like my favorite thing there. They had balsamic vinegar, which usually comes out of Italy. It was really, really good. So if you're looking for a place and you're in Southern California, come try this place out. Again, Cardiff by the Sea. As you can see in the background, look how beautiful that is. Of course, in the Philippines, there's so many beaches, but this is one of the hot spots here in Southern California. Anyway, that was a really good meal. Sorry that we couldn't film it inside. It was just way too loud and way too busy. But that's always a good spot, right? I know that Trevor's super excited. Him and Emmie coming to the Philippines. They can't wait. Oh, anyway, thanks again. See ya.
Okay, what's up everybody? We're back here in California for a couple days before we head on over to the Philippines. Before we go, my dad wanted to try cooking a Filipino breakfast, Tapsilog. And we've got some carne ng baka dito. We have some bawang, itlog, garlic rice, and yeah.
So I've always wanted to try Tapsilog. So that's what we're doing. I've looked at a ton of recipes, but I just love silog dishes because they're simple, they're fast, and the runny egg on top of the rice, for me, amazing. So looking forward to this one. Kind of a special weekend as Trevor's here again in California. He was here a couple weeks ago, and now Emmie joined him. So we're gonna bring Emmie in. She's gonna try Tapsilog. She's never had a silog dish, I don't think.
Nope.
Right?
Nope.
No silog dishes for Emmie. So we're gonna try it. I'm actually gonna take the rice, which I made like a day ago. And to make garlic rice, I heard you have to make it previously and let it cool down. Usually the day before is the best. And then you fry it in oil and garlic. So we're gonna do that, but we're gonna save half of it just for steamed rice and try both of them. If any of you guys have any tricks of getting through that flight easy, besides first class and business class, comment down below. All right, so to start, we gotta get the garlic for the garlic rice going. And so I've minced like a head of garlic. I don't think we're gonna use the whole thing because we're only doing half of the rice. Now the thing with garlic is when the heat's really high like this, if you overcook it, it gets really bitter and you don't want that. So I'm gonna turn down the flame a little bit and I'm just gonna get it so it's like golden brown and it's already getting that way. So it's just about ready to add the rice. You can see it getting brown, but once and it goes really quickly, it burns really quickly. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this rice in here. Might need a little bit more oil. But again, I told you we're gonna do half garlic rice, and I'm making a mess. But half garlic rice and half steamed rice, or white rice. All right, so we are now gonna add our tapa. I think that's what you say, right? It's already starting to smell really good in here, actually.
Sarap ng buhay, amoy ng kapit, kwentuhan sa mesa.
Okay, my dad just finished making the Tapsilog. Looks pretty bomb, as you guys can tell. And Emmie's gonna go first. This is her first time ever having Tapsilog. So,
Or any silog.
or any silog, period. So she's gonna try the meat first.
Yeah, that's fire. That's really good.
Really good. Okay.
Is it too sweet?
No, I like it. I like anything that's like, what's in this? Brown sugar,
Brown sugar.
soy sauce. Is there soy sauce in it?
Yep, there's
Yeah.
soy sauce, there's vinegar.
I like all those things, so I'm not surprised that I liked the beef.
A couple things that I did different is I added some hot chili flakes or pepper flakes because I didn't have any chilies. And then I also added a little bit of brown sugar, which is some of the recipes have that in there. And then
I'm gonna try the rice.
unfortunately, Emmie is allergic to.
Yeah, I can't
to
eat eggs. Otherwise, I'd be eating it with egg for sure.
That's really good. Pretty authentic.
I don't know what I expected the garlic rice to taste like, but
Is there a very garlicky taste to it, or is it very
No.
subtle?
I feel like it's pretty subtle.
And
I actually
like
think
it.
I like the white rice
I think
better.
I like the white rice better.
It's just simpler.
More traditional. But if you see on the egg right there, I don't know if you can see the egg, how it's got that crispy bit. I personally like that with a really runny yolk. With the tapa.
That's how the Filipinos do it. I love the crusty bit.
That's how I like it too. And I'm really sad I can't eat that right now. But
Ooh, look at that runny egg. I love that. All right, Trevor taught me how to eat like Filipinos do with the knife and or the fork and the spoon.
Emmy's trying her best over there.
Right.
I like the spoon in the left hand. I like to use the fork.
That's good. I think I want more spicy.
I would take it a little bit more spicy.
It's
Emmie doesn't
perfect
like-
for me because I don't like spice.
Ayaw na yung manghang. Kaya ito yung perfectong dish.
How about a little more garlicky sriracha?
Not traditional, but
I was gonna say, do they use sriracha in the Philippines? No sriracha. Tasty.
yeah, it's actually really bomb. These are, you can get like a meal like this for $1 in the Philippines.
Really?
Like
It's
75
like,
pesos or
like
something?
50 to 60.
How did you cook the beef? Did you cook it outside?
No, I cooked
or you
it
cooked
here
in the
on
pan?
skillet. Yep. So, anyway, clean
Devoured.
the plate. Very delicious. Love silog dishes. I have a feeling that Emmie for breakfast will be like, hey, let's go try a silog dish. And they have all the
good
different
option.
meats you can try. Like, hey, really fun being on the channel again, cooking some food. And I know they're excited to go to the Philippines.
It's a good
So
warm
we'll
up.
see you soon.
Warm up for Emmie. Okay.
Sign out.
Ingat, kita-kits sa Pilipinas.
Kita kits.
Kita kits.
Man mapunta, masaya. Lakad-lakad sa